Do we think Gracie is a Russian blue or an English blue? Now we can find out with this Base Paws cat DNA test. It's on a major sale today, so it's really affordable. But besides finding out the breeds, you're also getting different health information, their blood type, dental diseases, genetic traits, so much great information from this. It's on sale. You swab the inside of the cat's cheek and you send it off, and in 4 to 6 weeks, you'll get this detailed test result. It's on sale. I'm gonna tag it below if you wanna grab it. This would be a great gift for any cat owner too.